Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're having a good day. Today's video is an unboxing of a Tory Burch bag that I purchased, I believe it may have been Black Friday. I don't remember. I've had it for a little bit and I just have not had time to film a video because end of the semester is always tough for me trying to get papers graded and all the stuff. So I kind of just put it on the back burner and decided, you know what, today's the day. I just recently did a video on this, so review on this. I'm not sure which one I'll put up first, but if this is up, I will go ahead and link it above for you. I wanted to show you how this is packaged. Tory Burch has the most thoughtful, maybe, packaging of most retailers, and I just love that about them. I mean, you're paying a lot for their bags, so it's reasonable that you would want the boxes to be packaged nicely. But let me go ahead and show you how it is packaged. It is a big box, but very nice. Bubble wrap on the top. And then pretty sticker here. And there's just a thank you. Our brand was started with the founding principle to empower women. We hope you love your order and we are thrilled you are part of our community. Tory Burch. So very nice. Love that. Let's look at this holiday packaging. I'm going to take it out and show you, but oh my gosh, so pretty. Pretty this is. So very different from the regular packaging, like the pink and purple. So I'm assuming this is the holiday packaging. Now, when you order something, you have I think you have the option to get it gift wrapped. This is considered their gift wrap. You don't pay for it. So I would never ever pay for gift wrap. Well, unless it's going to someone other than me. But I would probably never pay for gift wrap. So this was definitely free. It does have Velcro. That's a sturdy Velcro. So there you go. And on the inside, the bag is in its dust cover. Now, I have to admit that I haven't really been wanting anything from Tory Burch lately. I've looked, and I feel like a lot of their bags are maybe overpriced. You could get like a full-priced Tory Burch, 2 of them, take that money, and almost get a Louis Vuitton for that. So it's kind of hard for me to reconcile that, getting like a $500 or $600 Tory Burch bag. This one, it definitely was not that much. Plus, I got Rakuten cash back. If I'm not mistaken, it was 10 or 12%, which was like 30 bucks, a lot back. If you don't use Rakuten, please take it from me, someone who shops. I'm not shopping as much as I used to, but someone who shops kind of a lot online. If you shop online or even some in store, sign up for Rakuten if you haven't already. I'll leave my link below. It's where you get money and I get money, okay? So I don't get your money, but Rakuten just awards both of us. It's not a scam. I've been using Rakuten for years. Like, before it was even Rakuten. It was Fat Wallet, and then it was Ebates, and then it was Rakuten. So I've been with it through all of those changes, and I've made, I want to say like $2,500 or more. I mean, that's just since it's been Ebates and Rakuten. That doesn't count Fat Wallet. So I made a lot of money from Rakuten just by clicking through their app. Love it. Cannot recommend it enough. Plus, I had a reward type of, I don't know what they call it, on American Express, and you can get like cash back or whatever for that. And it was either $30 or $60 if you spent $300 at Tory Burch. And I did. This bag was not $300, but I got something extra, and I probably won't show it because I got it for a gift, so I'm just not going to show it. But this was definitely under $300. Let's finally get to the bag. Here it is. Cute little drawstring bag with the little Tory Burch symbol logo there. Now, I looked this bag up. I always look up bags before I purchase them, always. And I really couldn't find anything about this bag. So I was super intrigued. It is super cute. This is called the Dragonfly. So let me show it to you before I take anything off. This is the Dragonfly, and this is in the color black. I'm going to turn my light on again right here. Hopefully that'll help just a little bit, at least so you can see the color maybe. All right, here we go. Everything is off the bag. Look how cute this is. I love the little pleating, like drawstring look right here. And it is really just a look. It's not a functional drawstring. From what I can tell, it's not. It's an interestingly made bag. And I like that. I like interesting, but I also like functional. And I believe this one is functional too. It's kind of a modified bucket. So let me show you from all sides. In the back, really pretty. Where this drawstring is, it's actually right in the front, and it has this pocket with it. This pocket goes like all the way down, like almost, yeah, down to the logo there. Let me just show you this little penny coin purse. See how far that is down in there? I mean, that's in there. This wallet, this Coach wallet, look at this. That is pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen a pocket like that on a bag. Now the inside is, it's kind of like, almost like unfinished, like the unfinished leather. It's kind of like what it is there. Some of it is though, the pockets. So there's the pocket right back here, and then there's that really big pocket right here. Okay, so you have two pockets, and on those are like the pebble grained leather. I like that it has the little like arm handle kind of, wrist, you know, just hand. What am I looking for? Just a little handle for your hands. I like that. And it also has the adjustable crossbody strap. Right now it is set to about halfway. So it would definitely, yeah, where it's at now. Okay, so just so you know, I have like pajama pants on. But you see, it's halfway right now and it's sitting right at my hip. This one has gold hardware. It's like a brushed gold. Turn that light off. I'm not sure that it's doing me any good there. The inside has the magnetic closure. You can see both sides right there. And that's the closure of this bag. What's interesting too is that there are these little zippers right here. Like that. I think if you need more room, I think that's what it's for. They're unzipped right now. And it can kind of go out. So you can make it more like into a tote. So that's kind of cool. I'm gonna put just a few things in here for you. I'm not gonna do like a full-blown what's in my bag, but I will show you a few things that will fit. This is, like I said, the review that I just did. So I'm gonna put that in there, this little Patricia Nash. I have my little Louis Vuitton. This is the PM Agenda. Here's a little Louis Vuitton key clay. I'll put that in there. Put my water bottle in there. And then just for kicks, I'm gonna put this big wallet in the front. So honestly, I think that the agenda would fit in there. Let me see. Yeah, that PM Agenda fits right down in there. Like, look at that. It is in there. You see that? It's right down in there. But I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna put this wallet down in there, like I said, just for kicks. And then the agenda, this little thing here, put that in there. I mean, a ton more is gonna fit, but I just wanted to give you an idea about what will fit in there. Super cute. It's called the Dragonfly. One thing to note too is that this is not like a slouchy material. So you can hear me like tapping on it, like it's sturdy. That's a good thing because it's kind of a little bit of a tote, right? So you don't want your tote to puddle. Some people like that look. I don't necessarily. I just want it to be like this, pick it up and I go. I like that. But I will link it down below for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask. And thank you so much for watching. This hair that I'm wearing is John Renault Rachel in the color 832. I will try to link it below for you, or at least just leave some places where you can purchase it. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.